What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So, in previous video, I have shown you how you can access an object using the index. So, there is another way for accessing this.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
Let me show you. Simply list, then use this, not this, these square brackets, then put, if you want to access this value, simply put -1. It takes the value from this point to this. Let's see what it returns. I really don't know what it returns. Yeah, it returns the -5. We can do the same with this, -2 and -3. Okay, so another thing, if you want to access the whole portion, let's say if you want to access this with this with this, how can you do that? There is a method for this. Let's say if you want to access from 2 to 4, how can you do that? Put the index 1 0 for from index 2, put this semicolon and put the another value and save, then run your program. Sorry, one more thing, it will not take the value of the index which you have put, it will take the value less than it. You have to put 2 here. It means it will not include this index. It mean in this case it will not include this 5. It will take less than this index. Save, then again run it. You can see that it take this value. You can do this like this way. You can see it's same. And if you want to access all the elements, simply put 0 and nothing. It will take all the values. You can do this in the minus tab, from minus to this. Let's say what will it will return. It will return this value. Okay, you can try them in your variations. So thank you, meet you in the next tutorial. So if you have any doubt, you can comment below, I will help you.